BoBo.
I'm Dotti.
I'm Clown Antics.
I'm Razzi.
And we're here for clownantics.com. And the skit today is Fireflies.
Hey, you guys see all these fireflies flying all over the place? Why don't I catch them and put them in a bag and we get them out of here before we have a fire? There's my bag. All right, now we're all set. What do I see? There's one right there. Oh,
What?
there's another one right in there, right on her nose.
Two.
And you got one with those cards.
Three.
He's got one in his shoe. Look at that.
Four.
Oh, I got one right.
Five.
Oh, look at that nose. Look at that nose.
Six.
There's one right there.
Seven.
You got one right there.
8.
And you. You got one over there.
I'm here with Call Us Clowns. And share this video with your friends and enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.